Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Crafter. It's a medium wheelbase panel van. It's also a Trendline model. It's fitted with a 140 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 6-speed manual gearbox. This van is a used 21 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the van. To the front you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. You will notice on this Crafter it's fitted with a black bumper with front parking sensors. In the top part of the grille you will notice a nice chrome strip. This van is also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. As we move around the Crafter again, you will notice that the mirrors and door handles are in black. Also, the mirrors on this Crafter are also heated. This is ideal for cold winter months. To this side of the Crafter, you will notice a sliding door. As I move into the load area of the Crafter, you will notice a bulkhead to the back of the front seats. As I pan the video camera around, you will notice that the load area has been protected with wood ply lining. At the back of the Crafter, you will notice rear wing doors with two 70-degree hinges. As we move across the rear bumper, you will notice reverse parking sensors. To the back of the Crafter, you will notice standard rear tail lights. You'll also notice a Crafter badge and a VW emblem on the rear doors. As we look back inside the load area, you will notice to both sides the wood ply lining has been professionally fitted. As we move across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. Both doors are fitted with these hinges. On both sides you will notice magnetic stoppers to hold the door back. This is the advantage of the rear door hinges. This van is fitted with 16-inch steel wheels with VW centre wheel covers. All the wheels are in superb condition. This van is painted in a solid colour, which is candy white. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a standard steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. As we move across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. As we move to the back of the van, you will notice the bulkhead again. This Crafter is also fitted with 3 comfortable seats in Austin cloth. You'll also notice on the driver's seat a armrest for added comfort on long journeys. If you adjust the centre seat back, you will have a table with some handy cup holders for your passenger and for your driver. This now finishes my 360 walk around the Crafter. For my next part of the video, I'd like to talk to you about the controls inside the interior cab and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me you will notice mirror, electric window controls. Down here you will see the headlight switch. Moving back to the steering wheel you will notice multimedia switches. To this side you will notice cruise control. This Crafter has covered 7,171 miles. To the centre of the dash you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader, which you'll find here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here, with a 12-volt socket. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice that this system is fitted with a park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice the heater controls. You'll also notice that this Crafter is fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. And lastly, here we have the 6-speed manual gear stick. And now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Crafter. It's a medium wheelbase panel van. It's also a Trendline model. It's fitted with a 140 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 6-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 21 plate Crafter, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the van. When you are in contact with the salesperson, you could ask about booking a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options that are on offer if needed. Thank you for watching.